Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter functions.
If f is to r tends to r, comma g tends to r tends to r, so are defined by f of x equals to 2x square plus 3 and g of x equals to 3x minus 2. Then find first one is f circle g of x, second one is g circle f of x, third one is f circle f of 0, fourth one is g circle f of 3. Okay, so this is the given question. So you observe this one here, both are the function f is to r tends to r and g is also r tends to r. Both the domain and codomain are same, real value function. Clear? So there is no difference between g circle f or f circle g. So both are same. Why? Because r to r, r to r. So f circle g also belongs to r to r. G circle f also r to r. F circle f also r to r. We define. Clear? So first of all, given values we write here. Given that f of x equals to 2x square plus 3 and g of x equals to 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. So first one we write here. F circle g of x. F circle g of x. So we written already combination of two functions, that is nothing but g circle f of a can written also g of f of a. So this is the composite function defined as g circle f of a is equals to g of f of a. So ఇలా సర్కిల్ ఉంటే మనం ఆటోమేటిక్గా బ్రాకెట్లో రాసిస్తాం g of f of a అని. Same as it is here also we are apply like this here. F circle g of x can it also f of g of x we write here. Why? Because this is nothing but composite function. Clear? F circle g of x can it also f of g of x. So f of g of x already given, that is nothing but 3x minus 2, we substitute 3x minus 2. Okay, so in place of g of x we substitute 3x minus 2. Now we got here f of 3x minus 2, but not given f of 3x minus 2. So what is given here? F of x value is given here. So in place of x what is there? 3x minus 2. So f of 3x minus 2 is there, but here given f of x value. So f of x value this one. So f of 3x minus 2 value, how to get here? In place of x we substitute 3x minus 2. Clear? So that is 2 of 3x minus 2. So in place of x we substitute this one. Whole square as it is plus 3 as it is. So 2 of 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3 we get here. Now we got here a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square form is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means 3x whole square, 9x square we get here, plus b square, 2 square is nothing but 4, minus 2ab, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12x. So plus 3 as it is. Okay. So now what we get here? 2 of this one is nothing but multiply it is 2 into 9, 18x square, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, x plus 3 we get here. So that is nothing but 18x square minus 24x plus 8 plus 3, 11 we get here. So first one is over. This is the value of f circle g of x. Okay. Now second one. So what is second one? G circle f of x. So g circle f of x can it also, again this is also combination function, that is nothing but composite function of g with f. So we write now g of f of x. G of f of x value we got here, that is nothing but 2x square plus 3 we substitute here. F of x equals to, but we got here g of 2x square plus 3, given value g of x value that is 3x minus 2. So we substitute here 3 into, in place of x, what we substitute here? 2x square plus 3 minus 2 as it is. So why? Because g of x value 3x minus 2. So in place of x, what is there? 2x square plus 3 is there. So we substitute 2x square plus 3. So 3 2s are 6x square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 2. So 6x square plus 7 we get here. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. This is the value of G circle F. G circle F of x. Next, third one. So what is third one? F circle F of 0. F circle F of 0. So this can written also again F of 0. F of 0. But see here, F of x value is given here, but we got here F of 0. So F of 0. So in place of x we substitute 0. So F of 0, what we get here? 2 into 0 whole square, that is nothing but 0 plus 3 we get here. So F of 0 value 3 we get here. Okay, so we substitute here 2 into 0 square, that is nothing but 0 plus 3. So F of 0 value 3, since we write here F of 0 equals to 3. Clear? So then after F of 3 we got here, but here in place of x what we substitute here? 3. So 2 into 3 whole square plus 3 we get here. Okay, in place of x we substitute here 3. So what we get here? 2 into 3 square plus 3. So 2 into 3 square 9 plus 3. So 18 plus 3, that is 21. We get this is. Now fourth one we write here. So what is fourth one? G circle F of 3. F of 3. Clear? So G of F of 3. Clear? G of F of 3. So F of 3 value we got here. F of 3 value is nothing but 21. So we got this value directly we write here. G of F of 21 we write here. Clear? Since from third problem. F of 3 value 21. Clear? So we got like this here. So now G of F of 21 value we find out here. Given value F of x value. So in place of x what we substitute here? 21 we substitute here. So 2 of 21 square plus 3. 2 of 21 square plus 3. So what we get here? G of 2 into 21 whole square. 21 whole square 441 plus 3. So what we get here? 882 plus 3. So G of 885 we get here. G of 885. So G of x value is given here. We substitute in place of x 3 into 885 we get here, plus minus 2 as it is. Minus 2. So 3 5 is 15. 3 is 24. 25. 3 8 is 24. 26. 24 plus 2. So okay, right. 26 5 3 we get it. This is the G circle F circle F of 3, that equals to 2653. Okay. Next question. If f is to r tends to r, comma g is to r tends to r, defined by f of x equals to 3x minus 1, comma g of x equals to x square plus 1. Then find first one is f circle F of x square plus 1. Second one is f circle G of 2. Third one is G circle F of 2a minus 3. So here same type of problem. One more problem I will take here. So once again I will take given values. Here f of x equals to 3x minus 1 and g of x equals to x square plus 1. Okay. Now first one I will write here. What is first one? F circle F of x square plus 1. Okay. So Both are defined on real number set R2R, R2R. So don't change here. F is to F circle F, both are same values. So this can written also F circle F of X can written also F of X square plus 1 we get here. Clear? So by using this condition here, G circle F combination of function, that is composite function. So G circle F of A can written also G of F of A. So F circle F of X square plus 1 can written also F of X square plus 1. But here F of X value is given here. Here we got here F of X square plus 1. So in place of X, we substitute here X square plus 1. Okay. So what we get here? F of X square plus 1. So we substitute here X square plus 1. Then in place of X also, we substitute X square plus 1. So what we get here? 3 into X square plus 1. So remaining minus 1 is there. Minus 1 as it is. So F of 3x square plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 1. So F of 3x square, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we got here F of 3x plus 2. But here again in place of X we substitute here 3x plus 2. 3x square plus 2. So what we get here? 3 of 3x square plus 2 minus 1 as it is again. Clear? Only in place of X we substitute this is. So what we get here? 3 into 3, 9x square plus 3 to the 6 minus 1. So 9x square plus 5 we get here. 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5. So F circle F of X square plus 1 is equals to 9x square plus 5. Okay. So first one is over. Now second one. What is second one? F circle G of 2. Second one is F circle G of 2. So F circle G of 2 can written also F of G of 2. Again by using composite function. Okay. So in place of here G of 2 is there, but G of X value we got here. We know that G of X value, but we got here G of 2. So in place of X what we substitute here? Here 2 is there, so we substitute 2. So what we get here? 2 square plus 1 we get here. So now F of 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 1. So F of 5 we get here. Clear? Since G of X equals to X square plus 1. So G of 2 equals what we get here? 2 square plus 1 we get here. Clear? So F of 5 is there. But here F of X value 3x minus 1. So F of 5, how to get here? In place of X, we substitute 5. Clear? So 3 into 5 minus 1 we get here. So that is 15 minus 1, that equals to 14. So F circle G of 2 is equals to 14. Now third one. So what is third one? G circle F of 2a minus 3. G circle F of 2a minus 3. So that is can written also G of F of 2a minus 3. G of F of 2a minus 3 we get here. Clear? So that is nothing but in place of X what is there? 2a minus 3. In place of X 2a minus 3 we substitute here. So now G of 3 into 2a minus 3 minus 1 we get here. Why? Because F of X value 3x minus 1 is there. Okay. So G of 6a minus 9 minus 1. 3 to the 6, 3 3 is a 9. So G of 6a minus 10 we get it. Minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. So again we got here G of 6a minus 10. But given value G of X value. So in place of X we substitute 6a minus 10. So what we get here? 6a minus 10 whole square plus 1 as it is. So in place of X this we substitute here. So X square plus 1 is the G of X value. So we write now G of X equals to X square plus 1 is there. So in place of X what is there? 6a minus 10 is there. So we substitute here 6a minus 10. In place of X what we get here? 6a minus 10 whole square plus 1 we get here. So a minus b whole square form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is nothing but 36 a square we get here. Plus b square is nothing but 10 square 100 minus 2ab, 2 6 are 12, 12 into 10, 120a plus 1 as it is. A square minus 120a plus 100 plus 1 plus 101. So this is the value of G circle F of 2a minus 3. That equals to 36a square minus 120a plus 101. So these are the values of combination of given functions. Okay. So most important problems, this is also for 2 marks. Clear? So some more same type of problems also there. So you will do that problems also by using same methods like this. Clear? ఈ మెథడ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఐ హోప్ ఆల్ అండర్స్టాండ్, అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా. క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ది ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ if a comma b belongs to capital R, comma f is to r tends to r defined by f of x equals to ax plus b. That is the first problem, and a also not equal 0. Second problem is f is to r tends to open interval 0 comma 18. So 0 comma infinite, open interval 0 comma infinite, defined by f of x equals to 5 power of x. Third one, if f is to r tends to 0 comma infinite tends to r, defined by f of x equals to log x base 2. So these are three problems. We find out inverse of given functions. So see here, f is mapping from a to b. F is mapping from a to b, be a function, be a bijective function. Then f inverse is exists here, that is mapping from b to a, that is also bijective function. Clear? So b to a, we are interchanging domain and codomain of given function, that is nothing but inverse of that function. So we find out here f of x value is given here, that is ax plus b. Okay, now we find out here f inverse of x value we find out here. f of x value ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి మనం f inverse of x అంటే ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? f of x value ax plus b is given here. We find out here f inverse of x. Here also f of x value is given. We find out f inverse of x. F of x is given again. We find out f inverse of x. Clear? So now first one we write now. Given function is f of x equals to ax plus b. Ax plus b is given here. So let us take that equals to y. We say, okay. So in the finding of inverse, we take here f of x equals to ax plus b, that equals to y. So we put here f of x equals to y and ax plus b equals to also y. Okay, so both conditions are possible. Why? Because we assumed here y as given function. That's why f of x equals to y we take here, as well as ax plus b equals to also y we take here. So first one we take here f of x equals to y. That implies, so x equals to be right now, x equals to f, take this side, we get here inverse of this one, we get here f inverse of y, we get here f inverse of y. X equals to f inverse of y we got here. Now ax plus b is equals to also y we take here. Okay, first condition is nothing but f of x equals to y, that implies f inverse of y we got here. Now second one is nothing but ax plus b equals to y we take here. So now ax equals what we get here, y minus b. Ax plus b equals to y, that implies ax equals to y minus b we get here. So x equals to what we get here, y minus b divided by a we get here, y minus b. So a is there, multiplying this one and take this side, what we get here, y minus b by a we get here. This is equation number 2. So observe these two equations here from 1 and 2. What is 1 here? X equals to f inverse of y, and what is 2 here? X equals to y minus b by a. So LHS side is equals. So RHS also equal. So f inverse of y is equals what we get now, y minus b by a we get here. we find out here f inverse of x. So in terms of x, what we get now, f inverse of x equals to, so x minus b by a we get here. X minus b by a. Clear? So this is the inverse of given function. Clear? So next, second one. What is second one? Second one is f of x equals to 5 power of x is given here. We find out here f inverse of x. That is nothing but we assume y again. Assume y. F inverse of x we find out here. Given function taken as y. So f of x equals to 5 power of x, that equals to y. Again, what we take here, f of x equals to y, as well as 5 power of x equals to also y. F of x equals to y, that implies x equals to what we get here, f inverse of y we get here. Okay, f take this side, we get here, that is nothing but inverse of f. So x equals to f inverse of y. Now 5 power of x equals to also y we take here. 5 power of x equals to y. That implies, so x equals to what we now see here. Here base is nothing but 5. So take this side. So that is nothing but can change into log y base 5. Log y base 5 we get here. Okay. So how to write here? Both sides we are applying log 5. Clear? Log 5. So this is equation number 2. We get here from 1 and 2. F inverse of y is equals to log y base 5. So in terms of x, f inverse of x equals to log x base 5. So this is the inverse of given function. Okay. So both sides we are applying logarithm. What we get is here by 5 power of x equals to y. And this is and doubt 5 power of x equals to y. So both sides we are applying log 5. Log 5 we get here. Clear? So log a power of x can written also x into log 5 base 5 we get here. So log y base 5. So log 5 base 5 is nothing but 1 is equals to log y base 5. So x equals to log y base 5 we got here. So we don't to take this total values. Directly 5 take this side we get here log 5. Clear? So this kelte ఇది బేస్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి బేస్ ఇది పవర్, ఈ బేస్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా బేస్ లోకి వచ్చేస్తే లాగార్థం వచ్చేస్తే. క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు log x base 2, that equals to also y we say. Clear? So this is f of x equals to y and log x base 2 equals also y we take here. So f of x equals to y, that implies what we get here, x equals to f inverse of y. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So next log x base 2, that equals to also y. That implies x equals to, here base is what here 2. So take that side, what that is can change into base of y. Clear? So base 2 power y. 2 power of y we get here like this here. And 5 power of x equals to y, that implies x equals to log y base 5. So take this side, what we get here, y equals to 5 power of x like this here, x equals to 2 power of 5. So this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what we get now, f inverse of y is equals to 2 power of y. So in terms of x, f inverse of x equals to 2 power of x. So this is the inverse of given functions. Okay. Next question. If f is 2 or tends to r, g is 2 or tends to r, defined by f of x equals 3x minus 2, comma g of x equals to x square plus 1. Then find first one, g circle f inverse of 2. Second one is g circle f of x minus 1. So f inverse of 2 is there. So that means here we find out here f inverse also first of all. Okay. So given that f of x equals to 3x minus 2 and g of x equals to x square plus 1. Now we find out here f inverse, so that's why we take here f of x equals to 3x minus 2, that equals to y, we say. So f of x equals to y and 3x minus 2 is equals to also y we take here. First of all, f of x equals to y, that implies x equals what we get here? F inverse of y. This is equation number 1. Then after what we take here, 3x minus 2 is equals to y. That implies 3x equals to what we get here? Y plus 2 we get here. So x equals to y plus 2 divided by 3. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, f inverse of y is equals to y plus 2 divided by 3. So in terms of x, we write here f inverse of x equals to x plus 2 divided by 3. So we got here f inverse of x also. Okay. Now first one. What is first one? G circle f inverse of 2. So by using composite function, we write here g of f inverse of 2. So f inverse of x value we got here, that is nothing but x plus 2 divided by 3. So f inverse of 2, how to get f inverse of 2? In place of x we substitute 2. Then we get here f inverse of 2. So now we write here g of, in place of x we substitute 2. So 2 plus 2 divided by 3. 2 plus 2 divided by 3. So g of 4 by 3 we get here. So g of x value is given here, that is x square plus 1. So g of 4 by 3, that is nothing but 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. So that is 16 by 9 plus 1. So 16 plus 9 divided by 9. So 25 by 9 we get it. This is the value of G circle F inverse of 2. Next, second one is also there. So that is second one. See G circle F of x minus 1. So there is no F inverse. So that's why in previous problem we written here like this here. So G of F of x minus 1. By using composite function, G circle F of A can written also G of F of A. So G of F of A, F of x value 3x minus 2. But we find out here F of x minus 1. So in place of x we substitute here x minus 1. So here what we get here, 3 of x minus 1 minus 2 as it is. Clear? So in place of x we substitute here 3x x minus 1. Clear? So G of 3x minus 3 minus 2. 3x into 3 into x. 3x, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So G of 3x minus 5 we get here. G of x value is given here, that is x square plus 1. In place of x, what we got here? 3x minus 5. So we substitute here. We get here 3x minus 5 whole square plus 1. So a minus b whole square form, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 9x square minus 2ab. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30x plus b square 25 plus 1. So 9x square minus 30x plus 26 is the value of G circle F of x minus 1.